AI product you have ever used, like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, started with a single loop, a few lines of code, an input and an output. That's it. Nobody talks about how simple the foundation actually is, because once you'll see it, you'll realize you could have built something like this a long time ago, and today you will. Think about the last time you tracked your order on Zepto, or got a recommendation on Zomato, or resolved an issue without talking to a single human. That's what a chatbot is. Quietly working, instantly responding, and somewhere a developer built that with the exact same tools that you have right now. But here's what nobody tells you. Do you actually need a CS degree to build it? Or a month of learning or a complex code? No. You need Python, VS Code and 10 minutes of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own AI chatbot from scratch right here in your terminal. You type something, it thinks, it replies. Just like your laptop and your Google Gemini AI having a real conversation. This is exactly how a big AI product is started. And once you understand it, everything else makes sense. Let's build it. If you are interested in technologies like generative AI, large language model, and intelligent automation, you might want to check it out, the professional certification program in generative AI, machine learning, and intelligent automation by IHFC Technology Innovation Hub of IT Delhi, powered by Simplilearn. This 11-month live online program is designed to help professionals build real expertise in generative AI, machine learning, deep learning, and automation through hands-on learning. You'll work with 20+ AI tools and libraries, complete 12+ industry-aligned projects, and learn from industry experts from IT Delhi Expert. The program also includes a 2-day campus immersion at IIT Delhi, offers a completion certificate from IHFC along with official Microsoft Learning badges and trophies. If you are looking to strengthen your career in AI and intelligence system, this program is definitely worth exploring. So hurry up, check it out the course. The link is in the description below. But before we begin, I want to ask you a quick question. What makes an AI chatbot different from a normal app? It can only follow fixed commands, it can respond to your commands, it can only work offline, or it cannot answer questions. Take a second and think about it, and instead of guessing in your mind, drop your answers in the comment section below. Here's what we are going to cover in this video step by step. First, we are going to install Python the right way. Here's one version that works best, and I'll show you which exactly is this. Second, we'll set up the VS Code and our coding platform. Third, we'll create a clean project environment. This one step prevents 90% of error that beginners face. Fourth, we'll install a Gemini library with one single command. And fifth, we'll get a free API key from Google. And sixth, we'll write a chatbot code together, line by line, no skipping. And seventh, run it live and watch it work. And that's it. So first of all, we are going to download Python here. And we are going to download this specific version of Python, that is 3.11, on which the Google Gemini works completely fine. So let's do that. So we'll go to python.go.download, and here we'll come down on this version and we'll click on here, and it will be downloaded in your system. As it's already downloaded in my system, I'm done with this step. Let's move forward. After that, we have to verify that whatever we have downloaded, the Python version, it should be in 3.11 format. So we'll come here, we'll go to CMD, and in the command prompt, I'll be writing here Python version. So Python version I have currently is 3.11.7. That is perfect. We can move ahead with this one. And if it is not 3.11.7 or any part, it should be 3.11 or anything. Now, if it is not that, we have to uninstall and again we have to reinstall the version. Now, let's move forward. After that, we'll go to VS Code and we'll download VS Code also. So here you will click on VS Code download, and the first link will come in front of you. You have to click over there, and you will come here, and here you will be having multiple options. Whatever suits you the best, you can download the one. Now, because I have already downloaded this is my page. I'll click on finish here. Let's download VS Code from here. I'll click on user installer. And here we'll come and we'll click on download. We'll go down. We'll click on Windows 11 and it's being downloaded here. It's already downloaded, so I'll click on here in this one and I'll open this. And I'll go next, install, and it is installed. Now the installation is done. I'll click on finish and then we'll move forward. And here we are. Now here you will come and in the extensions you have to download the Python extension, this one. Make sure that you have installed this one. And after that we'll move ahead. We'll click here. You have to create a folder of Python Chatbot and in which you will be creating a file called Chatbot. And here we have to write our program. Now, we'll be opening our terminal from here. You can see we are getting the option of terminal. You'll click on terminal, you'll click on new terminal, and here your new terminal is coming. Now you have to click here, and I'm going to write it down here, Python . The question comes why we are doing this. This is very important setup that we are doing here. We are going to create something called visual environment. Think of it like a clean room for the project. Everything will be installed here and everything will be done here. And we have to activate this also. Now we have to activate this. Now we have already created a folder for the Python chatbot. I'll go here and I'll click on new file. And I will create a new file here. The name of the new file will be chatbot.py. So this will be creating our new file. Now after that I'll go to the terminal. I'll click on terminal and I'll click on new terminal. So here our new terminal is open in front of us. So here I'm gonna make my environment and I'm gonna make sure that my environment is suitable for my program. So here I'm gonna write pip install Google Generative AI 032. This is the most suitable form. We can connect with this. And here we are pretty much done. So basically it's saying it will not work here. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna write here chatbot environment. So I'm gonna write here py 311 like this. And now I want to activate this. So how do we activate it? I'll click here. I'll write here. I'll write here dot v scripts activate.ps1. And here I'm gonna check the Python version. The Python version is 1311 and that is good. Let's move on and I'm gonna install the Google Generative AI 0, 3, 2. And it's being downloaded. So we are perfectly fine and we can move ahead with this one. Give it a moment, it will take some time. And here I'm going to write down chatbot.py. And here it's been downloaded and we are done. Now, let's go to find out the Gemini API key. Now I will try to make a Gemini API key. So here I'll come and I'll write here that maker suits google.com API keys, and here I'll click on the first one and then we'll move on. And here we'll be having multiple API keys. You can create as many as you want. And here I'm gonna create one API key. I'm gonna create the fresh API key. If you already have few API keys, you can use those, but I'm gonna create new one. So here I'll click on create API key, and here I'll click on create key. And here I'll copy the key, okay? And then I'll come to my VS Code here. Now, at this point, I'll go to my chatbot.py where I'm gonna write my program. And here we'll come to our chatbot.py and we'll write our program here. Here we are gonna write our program one by one. Let's begin. So here I'll write import google.generative AI as GenAI. Then I'll write GenAI dot configure and here we have our entire program. Now, after coming to this program, we have to replace our API key with the API key that we have already copied. So this is the API key that we have copied here, and that's it. Let's see. So I'm done with the program, and currently my program is running and it's saying chatbot is ready, and if I want to exit, I can click on exit and I can stop. Now, and it's also saying hi. So like this, you can create your own chatbot in your own terminal. And that's it. You just built an AI chatbot from scratch. And here's what I want you to do. Don't just close the video, open the code, change something, break it, fix it, ask multiple different type of questions. That's how you learn how to code. Not by watching, but by touching things. If this video helped you, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel for more such videos.